about the Satanic verses. I've had problems, people asking me, why you Muslims, why do you want to kill Salman Rushdie? What are your reasons? And it is a problem to me to answer that question because one, I haven't read the book. I'd like you to advise me. If I get the chance, can I read the book? Is it blasphemy for me to read that book?
No. You see, it depends now. The brother is asking a question about Salman Rushdie. Though he is not in competition with us, the Christian is, but he's asked a question. People are asking, people are very clever. Yes, Salman Rushdie, he has a right. Freedom of speech. So we agree. Every man has a freedom of speech. I want freedom of speech to be able to talk to you. I don't want to be gagged. Khalid Balala don't want to be gagged. Salman Rushdie don't want to be gagged. Fair request. Freedom of speech. But now, freedom to abuse. I'm asking, who are you? You are an African? Yeah. Right. So now, if you were an African asking me that question, you are asking me, not as a Muslim, but as an African, you want to know, you Muslim fellows, why are you so sensitive and all that? So I said, that Rushdie fellow, what he calls you black you guys. He says, black man eat white man shit. I'm quoting you his satanic verses. You people eat white man shit. No. So now the guy who tells you that you black man, then black man eat white man shit, this is, but he doesn't eat black shit. You hate black shit, but you eat white man shit. So he's a white man, he's asking me. I said, what he says about you? About your mother? Rushdie, what he said about your mother? Your wife, your daughter? You know what he says? He said, white women. I'm quoting him now to the white man. He says, white women, never mind fat. Jewish means with a polynose, crooked nose. Jewish or non-differential. You can't make out the difference between one and another. They are you use the four-letter word, and thrown away. I say, you bastard, is that what's your mother's role? That's what he's telling the whole world, that this white woman, your mother, your sister, your wife, your daughter, whether she's fat, she's Jewish or non-differential, you can't make out the difference. She is you use the four-letter word. You know what that word is. For that and being thrown away. Is that your mother's role? Your sister's, your daughter's role? He said, where's the bastard? Where is he? He wants to kill him. You see, the trouble is, bulk of our people, now, I don't say it's for everybody to read. It's bloody rubbish, waste of time. He uses that four-letter word 52 times in his book, in combination with every letter of the alphabet. I can't, in this place, I can't tell you, that four-letter word 52 times, one for each week.